Hi everyone, welcome back to your channel. In this tutorial, I would like to discuss how we can import the CSV file from FTP server into Postgres. So before we jump to coding part, I would like to have the demo to show you how it will work. And after that, in the next stage, I will explain that how you can install the FTP server and configure the FTP server, and then I will jump to the coding part to explain that how you can write the code. So if you are interested in this topic, please stay with me to see how we can import the data from CSV to Postgres through FTP, or we can say SFTP. Okay, so here I have my pgadmin, and as you can see in the table of the staff, I have some information until 11 rows, and I want to add the one data here as the 12th, and then to see that how it will work. Basically, I have defined to insert the new data with the current the status, and if there is some update in one of these, for example, data, then also it can be updated. So let's jump first to the CSV file and create some like here in 22. Okay, then I'm going to download this CSV file, and I would drop this file into my folder. Okay, here already I have the one folder, and this folder has been configured in FTP server. So I'm dropping this file here, so you can see in the server nothing happened, and before it was inside of that, and also we can check the in FTP server is still nothing. So I'm going to delete this file. When I'm deleting this file, then it will showing that okay, skipping ingesting due to missing file. So because it cannot find the file, then it is skipping the ingesting the file. And I triggered as a 10-second. Every 10 seconds it will check whether there is a data in FTP or no. So I'm going to change the name of this file, and then after 10 seconds you will see, okay, here you go, the row 12 is added. And if I trigger, okay, yeah, row 12 now already added. Okay, this is what I wanted to show. And also I configured to update this, and you can see here as well in FTP server, this is successfully data is transferred. So this is the data which is transferred. Okay, so I want to update one of these files. So let's number 8, we will make it as a number 8. Let's make it as a 10 here, and then save this file and drop the file into SFTP folder. Okay, let's drop the file here. Okay, still nothing. I'm deleting. Just wait 10 seconds. Yeah, it cannot find the file, and let's just wait some seconds. It's checking the, after 10 seconds it will check the FTP server, and it will update all the files. So let's jump back to the PG admin, and to see, here you go. Number 8 is 10. Others you can see nothing added, nothing happened, just whatever is we can say that it changed, then it will update the file into Postgres. So all this configuration is through the FTP, which I have defined one folder in my the server, and through this the FTP, you can see all this data is coming, reading from this FTP, and it will be saved into Postgres. Okay, now let's jump to the server for the FTP server. Let's see how we can configure this server. So first, you would need to search for FileZilla server, download, that is free, and you can use it. So for my case, it's Windows, and you can download this Windows, and if you have the other platform, so you need to check this part. So after you download this, you have downloaded this FileZilla, which now I have done, then you would need to come to configure some part of that, which I am explaining about the configuration of the FileZilla. Installation is very simple. Just you go through all the default part of that. It's not big issue. Okay, now we have our FileZilla server here. So in beginning, when you open the FileZilla, so you would see such this prompt as a notification. So you can drop the host. It is your IP. For my case, I'm using the local host, so I configured as a local host here, and then you can drop the port as a default port, which here it has suggested. But again, it's up to you if you have the specific port or you have your own the port, you can configure here. And here is a password which you need to define, and in later on you would need it in your code. And you can put it as a always connect to the server, or you can uncheck it. But for me, I check this one to connect. So after that, you can connect. When you connect, so it will, let me just show you. Yeah, it give you such this kind of the message, which is connecting to the server, and this is the local host, and this is your port. Okay, it's already logged on. The second stage, or you would need your second step, you would need to define the user. So in that case, you should come to the edit part and come to the user, and here you can add in the user, in general part, you can add the user. So you can add, for example, test 2. Then here, okay, and you can also define the password for this test2 or whatever you like. Then you can configure as OK. When you configure OK, then it will ask you what is the directories. So you can configure wherever you want in your server as a directory. Just click on the add here, and it will direct you to the file. You can select wherever you want. It just doesn't matter. It's not very I think I put something here, then I forgot. Yeah. So that is the case. You can select your directory, and after that everything is configured. You can select OK. So this is now everything is set it up. Your FTP server is configured, and you are ready to write your own code.